In Spring, we have the option to accept payments via credit card or ACH if you're signed up for ActionPay. If you are signed up for ActionPay, in the payment section located at the bottom right of your screen, you will see the manually enter payment received button, which can be used if someone hands you a physical check or cash. But you will also have a collect payment button here and a send payment link button here. If you want to send a link to your customer to allow them to pay a remaining balance or a deposit, you can select the payment link and then select if they're going to pay by credit card or ACH. Once you've selected your payment method, you can then say if they're paying a partial payment in a deposit or a full amount due. Once you've done this, you have the option to copy the link and send it to them, to email the link from ActionFlow, or to send it via text if your company is signed up for our text integration. If you're collecting payment in person, so if someone is handing you a credit card in person or calling over the phone with a card or ACH, you can hit the collect payment button and then select credit card or ACH. If you select credit card, you can select either deposit or full amount due and select OK. Once you select OK, ActionFlow will open a browser window that will allow you to enter the card information at the bottom of the screen. If you need to change the amount that the customer is paying, you also have that option at this point. ActionFlow will preload all of the customer contact information and job information. These are the ways that you use the ActionPay integration in Spring.